In this lesson, we're going to talk through how to create an asset in Mutiny, from choosing how you want to start to getting the creative agent building for you. There are 3 ways to kick off a new asset: from scratch, using a blueprint, or using a template. We'll cover all 3 and then talk about what happens once the agent gets to work. Starting from scratch really just means describing what you want and letting the creative agent build it for you. You'll see a prompt box where you can type out what you are looking for, the type of asset, who it's for, what it should say, and the goal behind it. The more context you give, the better the output. Before you hit go, you can also click the plus sign in the prompt box to attach additional context. This could be anything from a screenshot of a design you want to match, a messaging document, a call transcript, or a brief from your PMM team. The agent will use whatever you attach as creative direction alongside your prompt. You can also use the mic button to enable dictation and speak your prompt instead. Click the mic icon in the prompt box, speak your request, and it will be transcribed and sent to the agent. This works the same way as typing. Everything you say becomes a prompt. It's a fast way to give the agent detailed instructions without needing to write them out. Below the prompt box, we'll see templates as well as blueprints. These can be filtered to match the kind of asset you're building. Templates are full designs that your team has already built and saved. If someone on your team has created an asset that performed well or has a look you want to replicate, they can save it as a template. When you use a template, you're starting from that finished design and customizing from there, rather than building from the ground up. To use a template, browse the available options under the Templates header. Click on one to preview it, and then click Use Template to open it in the editor. Blueprints are almost like pre-created assets. These are Mutiny created and can be a good source of inspiration for asset creation. The blueprints you see here will change depending on the filter selected. When you select a blueprint, the creative agent will ask a few follow-up questions during the build process to tailor the asset to what you are wanting to build. Once you've made your selection, the creative agent goes to work. It builds the asset based on your brand settings, your library content, and the instructions you gave it. You'll watch it populate sections, write copy, and apply your brand styles in real time. This is where all the brand and library setup we covered in Module 1 comes to life. The agent doesn't stop being useful once the first draft exists. It's your ongoing collaborator for making changes, refining copy, personalizing sections, and more. In the next lesson, we'll walk through the editor itself and how to make changes to your asset.